Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Ouna. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay? In today's video, we are going to be doing a nude glossy lip look. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, just keep on watching. To keep my face hydrated, soft and smooth, I'll just go in with my 24K Gold Sand face moisturizer and I'll apply a few drops on my face, then use my fingers to massage the liquid into my skin. After that is done, I'll be using my Pond's face primer to keep my face matte all day long. To draw my brows, I'll be using my Davis eyebrow pencil. And to conceal my brows, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 338. To set the foundation on my eyelid, I'll go in with my Ever Beauty compact powder in the shade 104, and this will also serve as my eyeshadow. To line my upper lash line, I'll be using my Danielle liquid eyeliner. Going in with this beautiful Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, I'll be using my beauty blender to apply it all over my face, including my lips. To set the foundation, I'll be using the shade Natural from my Ezekiel powder palette. To highlight my face, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Bisque. To bake my face, I'll be using this translucent shade from my Ezekiel powder palette. I'll be using the Cappuccino shade to contour my face. After baking, I'll be dusting off the excess powder from my face using my powder brush. And for my nose, I'll be using a small blending brush. Then I'll go ahead and brush out my lashes using my classic mascara. To line my waterline, I'll be using my Diamond Beauty black eyeliner gel, and my lashes are 3D mink lashes from AMG. Just applying some mascara to my bottom lashes. From my classic blush palette, I'll be using this shade to give my face some color. For my lippy, I'll be using this purple VOV Candy Lip Gloss, which will later turn out to be nude because of the foundation on my lips. To give my face glow, I'll be using the bronzer from my Zaron Face Definer in the shade PZ15. Just using my fan brush to apply the bronzer on my cheekbones, and then I'm going to use my finger to apply the bronzer on my nose. this is it. This is the end of this tutorial. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, share and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.